Hey there, what's happening? I'd like to take you on a bit of a journey of curiosity and knowledge. All right? Here we go. How about a little culinary science? The Maillard reaction. What is it? It's a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars during heating that gives browned food its distinctive flavor. It's responsible for the delicious aromas when roasting, baking, or grilling. Since we're on the topic of food and cooking, many spices have fascinating histories, often being more valuable than gold in ancient times. They had to be transported over vast distances via treacherous routes like the Silk Road, making them rare and expensive in Europe. As an example, black pepper and cinnamon were highly prized and played significant roles in global trade and exploration. Discovered by Japanese scientist Kikuchi Ikeda in 1908, umami is the fifth basic taste other than sweet, sour, salty, and bitter, and is often described as a savory richness found in foods like mushrooms, aged cheeses, tomatoes, and soy sauce. How about that? The oldest known recipe for bread dates back over 14,000 years. No kidding. It was discovered in Jordan and predates the advent of agriculture, suggesting early humans might have been making bread long before they started farming. As any good chef says, let it rest. Allowing meat to rest for several minutes after cooking helps redistribute juices throughout the meat, resulting in a juicier, more flavorful dish. Cutting into meat immediately can cause the juices to run out, leading to dryness. And who wants that? Not me, certainly. As you likely know, artificial intelligence is continually being integrated into many aspects of our daily lives. Virtual assistants, personalized content recommendations on social media and streaming services, as well as smart home devices with advanced security systems, among many other features, are all powered by AI, making our lives more convenient and connected. The future is quite obviously here and now. Petra, Jordan. An archaeological city famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system, Petra is also known as the Rose City due to the color of the stone from which it is carved. It was established as early as 312 BC. Cows have best friends. True. Unique studies have shown that cows form close bonds with certain other cows and can experience stress when separated from them. Would you believe that pineapples can take almost 3 years to grow? From the time a pineapple is planted, it takes about 18 to 24 months to produce the first fruit, and then another 6 months for the fruit to mature. The first smartphone, IBM's Simon Personal Communicator, was introduced in 1994. It combined a mobile phone with a PDA and featured a touchscreen, email capability, and apps, predating the iPhone by more than a decade. Santorini, Greece. This picturesque island in the Aegean Sea is known for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings with blue domes, and its dramatic views over the caldera, a remnant of a massive volcanic eruption. Welcome to the oldest continuously operating hotel. The Nishiyama Onsen Keiunkan in Japan has been operating since 705 AD, making it the oldest hotel in the world. The tongue is the only muscle in one's body that is attached from one end, but not the other. How's that for a taste of anatomy? The Tale of Two Lovers, an erotic novel, was one of the best-selling books of the 15th century. It was written by Pope Pius II before he assumed the papacy. According to a recent census, more people are living in California than in all of Canada, even though Canada is 25 times larger than California. This has been brought to you by me from my lovely home in the UK. Bananas start growing while hanging upside down. As they become longer and more pliable, they gradually arc upwards for more sunlight, giving them their distinctively curved shape. During the Great Depression of the 1930s, people made clothes out of food sacks. They used flour bags, potato sacks, and anything made out of burlap. Because of this, food distributors started making their sacks more colorful to help people remain a little bit fashionable. Elvis Presley was originally blonde. He started coloring his hair black for an edgier look. Sometimes he would even touch it up himself with shoe polish. So what did you think? Comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, mate.